we see a lot of people making money online by trading, cryptocurrency, or through NFTs. Of course, there are many other methods as well to do so, but you do not want to go behind bars for anything illegal, do you? Well, jokes apart, let us now look into a few penny stocks that you could buy right now. And before that, also look at HTBX. That stands for Heat Biologies Inc. That has been on a boom for a significant period. Welcome to Penny Stock Lifestyle, the channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Hello future billionaires, and welcome to a brand new video. HTBX is a biotech company that has been gaining a lot of attention lately due to the recent developments and the success this company has been showing. Specifically, the therapy for cancer that they had recently introduced became a major event for the company, raising its popularity. The market cap of this company is $219 million, and it's the first biopharma company that aims to develop first-in-class therapies to modulate the immune system. It has a platform called GP96 that is designed to activate immune responses against cancer or other infectious diseases. It has more products as candidates in development to leverage the GP96 platform. This includes the HS110 that has completed enrollment in its Phase 2 trial, along with a COVID-19 vaccine program that is in preclinical development. It is also developing a pipeline of proprietary immune modulatory antibodies and cell-based therapies, including PTX35 and HS130 in Phase 1 clinical trials. Speaking of their pipeline as a whole, they have 4 products in the same that are really well, of which the most recent ones are HS110 and HS130 related to cell therapy. This is also one of the strong contenders in today's list. So, before we speak more on how this company is performing, let us start with today's list without wasting any more time. We would suggest our investors make sure they put in the amount that they can lose, which basically is a very fundamental rule towards trading of any sort. Therefore, also make prior research before getting into any stocks. Number 3. 22nd Group Inc. XXII. There have been a few new developments with this stock that has made it rocket through the skies. These recent developments have been really imperative for the overall development of the company. It is a leading plant biotechnology company focused on technology that can alter the level of nicotine in tobacco plants and the level of cannabinoids in hemp cannabis plants. They deal with genetic engineering and gene engineering, along with modern plant breeding. The company is currently working on getting the MRTP approval. MRTP stands for Modified Risk Tobacco Product. They are going to feature the first and only MRTP-approved combustible product. They also claim that they will have a rollout from the shelves after 90 days of approval. As soon as MRTP gets approved, this stock may shoot up to $7 to $10 in the same year. These recent developments make this penny stock a really promising one, and the very fact that they are working on something that is very essential to the company provides us an image that things could go in a really astonishing way by the end of this year, or maybe even earlier. It is imperative to note that given the volatility of this subject, there are always the chances of price drops. However, with the technology in hand and the developments in process, there are high chances for these drops to reach and settle back up. Number 2. Heat Biologies Inc. HTBX. With a handful of treatments, Heat Biologics has the top treatments in their hand. These are HS110. This is Heat's first biologic product candidate in a series of proprietary impact-based immunotherapies. This is designed to stimulate a patient's own cells to destroy the cancer, causing cells present within a person. It has completed the Phase 2, and results are expected to be out in this quarter. They also have the HS130, that is a cell therapy treatment for advanced solid tumor patients. The date of completion for this project's Phase 1 was November of 2020. We expect more updates this quarter, about the same. They also have the COVID-19 vaccines in their pipeline. This has been impacted majorly by Biden's $1.9 trillion stimulus, adding $160 billion for testing the new vaccine and development. They will not be using any of their own capital and will solely advance the program once they receive the funding. Currently, the financial standings of Heat Biologics is pretty stable. They have $113 million cash as of December 2020, while the average cash burn rate is $20 million each year and are currently under no debt. They have a market cap of $145 million, making it the reason we determine that they have a pretty stable financial condition even amidst the pandemic. This is also one of the reasons why we feel that the company is undervalued. Speaking about the people behind this, we have the CEO Jeff Wolf, who has an experience of creating value for companies and selling them for huge premiums. While the sector pump was going on, many sold their shares on the pumps. However, Jeff and other employees have not sold their shares yet. He has continued to increase his stake since a new CFO was hired last week, with 2 additional incentive clauses. These were, he will get a bonus if he closes above a $500 million market cap for 15 days straight, or if it is acquired for a 125% premium or more. The price target according to us for this here within the coming years is $15. This company will certainly be one of the major runners over the coming weeks, especially by the end of the first half of this year, or by the time it completes its upcoming treatment projects and testing developments. This will also be a good buy for you, but as always, make sure you do your own research into the stock before you decide to get into the same. Number 1. Sun Pacific Holding Corp. NPW. The main objective of this company is transforming neighborhoods across the country into smart cities. The object here is more towards making these neighborhoods environment friendly and therefore more sustainable. The method through which they achieve is by using blockchain technology to improve grid management of renewable energy, connecting households and businesses in a manner never achieved prior to them. One of the subsidiaries, named Med Recycler, is a leading-edge processing facility that can turn waste into renewable energy. It is likely to expand all across the US with government-backed low-interest loans. To add more into it, it will have multiple streams of revenue from 5 other ongoing projects. These projects include everything from a $90 million solar farm in Mexico, $20 million worth recycler island facility, and another solar panel manufacturing factory in Rhode Island. 1,700 signage units using bus shelters and bus benches and glassless, frameless, and flexible solar panel patents. The list never ends. We expect the price targets to be somewhere around 3 times what it is right now. The company is certainly undervalued as of now, but we are certain that this will change as the results of the ongoing projects come out of this company. So, which among them was your favorite? Do you think that Heat Biologics Inc. has the potential to outrun the other 2 we mentioned here in this list? If yes, which technology or development do you think could be responsible for that? If no, why do you think the other companies may overtake Heat Biologics Inc. and how do you think they'll succeed? If you'd like to stay up to date with the best and latest content about stocks and entrepreneurship, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. Did you find this video valuable, or do you want to add anything? Make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. We are posting a new video every day with the most undervalued penny stocks in the market right now. So, until the next time we post a new video, make sure you go through all the other videos we have in our channel. Until next time, keep reading and live healthy.